Alright, and that's the idea here, is not to get squished up. So what I usually do when I hit the highway is I get noticed, hopefully not by friendly police officers, but I like to get out ahead of people so that they realize that there's a motorcycle in their presence. So here we go, and I can tell there I gotta adjust my quick shifter because I missed a shift. And if I recall, I said if you're missing a shift, the sensitivity threshold is too high. So I'll change that later. But anyways, back on subject of not getting squished, or at least being noticed or conspicuous, is recently got clued into a thing called a hashtag support, or well, whatever, hashtag support challenge, I guess it is. Anyways, it's just a kind of a means for small, unnoticed creators or vloggers or motovloggers, whoever it may be, to kind of say, like Horton Hears a Who, we're here. Because it's hard to get noticed on YouTube with their whatever weird search algorithm they use. It's really hard to get noticed because they favor, obviously, the channels that are established and get a lot of traffic. That's understandable, as they're, for whatever subject matter, they're doing something right, putting out good content consistently. But it also means that the people that are starting out or up and coming get totally unrecognized, don't show up in any search engine, even when, there's tons and tons of ZX-14R videos out there on YouTube, but when you have put one out, in whatever time frame, say a week or a day, week, month, how when you filter your search results, and yours doesn't even show up, but other blogs and videos from years ago show up, or videos that have nothing to do with the ZX-14 show up, and it tells you there's something really wrong with their search algorithms, or people are gaming the system with whatever tags they're using. So anyways, this hashtag support thing is a great idea. I've looked into it on a few of them and found some pretty cool motovloggers out there, and subscribed to them, and they seem like cool people, and I'm glad I found them. So just get out there and just find them. Now you can do a hashtag support and then add in motovlog in the YouTube search algorithm or Google search or whatever search engine you're using, and then boom, all of a sudden you got all these people that are using the hashtag support. They show up in the search results, so you can much easier pick through them and figure out which ones you want to check out, and find some cool stuff out there. So I was started up by a motovlogger by the name of Dirty D's, Dirtydeez. He's a Harley rider. He's got some pretty cool videos out there too, from Texas. Guy's energetic as all get out. So go check him out, and also check out the original videos that he helped start this thing out, or not help, but he started it. But go to the source. He's got 2 videos on it, and it explains it much better than I can here in this short amount of time, because I'm going to be taking a left here. I'm almost to my destination if I don't pass the road by. If I pass the road by, and then we'll have a few more minutes to chat, because it's a long ways to backtrack in this area. Hopefully I won't miss it. But anyways, that hashtag support, give it a whirl. Take a look, see what you can find out there. There's all kinds of up-and-coming motovloggers, or ones that are a little bit smaller, but still, 100, 200, 500,000 subscribers, whatever they may be, that are putting out some pretty neat stuff all across the world. So give it a chance, and comment on their videos, and you can actually interact with them, which, some of the bigger vloggers you know, they get so many comments to begin with that there's no way that they're going to be commenting a lot, which is fine. It means that it's a community-driven comment section. The commenters interacting with each other, and then occasionally the big guy will pop in and answer a question or make a comment himself, which is understandable. It's the way it is. But with the smaller vloggers, for now, you know, we're accessible. We're human beings. We'll chit chat. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, well, I am getting pretty close here. I can never... Oh yeah, that's right. Go left here. I don't even know the names of these little roads. This is all just a little business park. So they got kind of odd names. But once I get to a certain point, then I recognize the store and where I'm at. So keep eyes peeled. There it is. That building right there, T-Mobile, tells me I need to take a left here. And still got some good sunlight out there, so if I'm lucky, I will find this elastic band material to help repair my wife's bracelets. It's some really, I don't know if it's like some kind of really strong rubber, but she wanted one of her new bracelets shortened. So I said, oh, I can do that. And then trying, found out you can't reuse what little bit of elastic stuff comes with it. There's not enough to really tie off securely again. So I'm going to pick up a spool of the stuff and try to get her 2 bracelets shortened and back to her. So I will be back in just a short amount of time. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, getting old. Getting so old.